One of the things you can actually add to your makeup to make your cheek and your jawbones really pop is blush. You don't even have to use contour. Blush will get the job done every time. Today, we're going to be taking a look at some blush lighters. And yes, that is a dubious place word, but this is like the perfect word that describes this product. We're going to be taking a look at Luminous blushes. There used to be a time where I would stay away from Luminous blushes because of the way they looked on the skin. They were entirely too luminous and not pigmented enough. But Rare Beauty recently sent over their brand new Luminous powder blushes. So I want to go ahead, open this, try it out, and see if, fingers crossed, we can actually find a luminous powder blush that will look beautiful on the skin, because Rare Beauty does very, very finely milled highlighters that don't look textured on dark skin. So I'm very excited to try this one. But before we get into it, if you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey! This is the Rare Beauty Luminous Pinch Powder Blush. It's a luminous finish. It has medium coverage. It's incredibly smooth. Okay, this is their words, not mine. They said it's incredibly smooth, lightweight, glowy, and it's seamless and has a silky color to it. I am interested already. Anything that is incredibly smooth, especially if it's a highlighter, I am here for it. One thing I noticed with dark skin and highlighters is if the highlighter is not very smooth and it has like chunky glitter pieces in it, it tends to cling to the skin and just accentuates all of your texture, and I do not like that. For that reason, there are very few highlighters that I actually like, and the ones that I do love, you see me use it a whole lot. We were lucky enough to have Rare Beauty send us the PR for this product. This is what it looks like. We have 6 blushes in here, and they also sent over 4 of their liquid blushes. There's supposed to be a brush cleaner in here. I don't know where it went. These are the 4 shades that I feel the tones are deep enough for me to be able to use. From the top, we have Love, Happy, Truth, and Joy. They are incredibly shiny. They move so smoothly under my finger that it's making me feel like if you're gonna go in with a brush, you definitely have to be really, really careful. I love the fact that they are powder, which means for somebody like me who has oily skin, it's going to move very easily on my skin, because I'm very afraid of cream products that go over my complexion products just picking up the products that I've already laid down. Let's do face swatches, because I like to see swatches of the products exactly where they're going to be used. And in the same order, we're swatching Love, Happy, Truth, and Joy. Let's blend it in on no makeup skin just to see what they look like. They move so easily in the pan and they blend in like a dream. Like, it's not giving me patchiness aware. It's so pretty. I'm just so excited to see what it's gonna look like on the skin. Okay, so I'm just gonna swirl my finger. Okay, just the visuals on this is not, this is a highlighter blush. It's so smooth. Do you see what I mean? If it looks good on bare skin, it's going to look incredible. On makeup skin, let's go in with the second shade. Ooh. Disclaimer though, you have to make sure your hand is not sweaty or wet or nothing. Like, your fingers need to be dry when you're doing this. This is Love and this is Joy. Joy disappears into my skin, but it gives me this gorgeous illuminated look without it looking like I put something on the skin. Now let's see if Truth is actually the truth. Ooh. Like, I feel like the camera is not doing this product any justice. This is nice. It actually matches the pictures that are in the pamphlet. This looks good with this on, and I was actually worried that it wasn't gonna show up on me like that. But look at this. This is nice. Listen, I know a lot of you think the highlighters are so 2006, but the right highlighter can do do you see how it's making my cheeks look pronounced without me actually like putting any contour on? Last but not least, we have Joy. This is more rose goldy-ish. This is given pink. This is given rose gold. The two that I think will show up very nicely and give you that blush look on dark skin, Love and Truth. The other two I think will be very good for like a gradient look. You can use your fingers and you can use a brush, and it's showing up equally incredible. Let's go ahead and see what it's gonna look like with makeup on the skin. It's time for our blush. Love and Joy on the right side of the face, Truth and Happy on the left side of the face. Let's see what they're both gonna look like. Okay, first we're going in with Love, and yes, I'm just gonna tap into this and I'm just gonna put it exactly where I put my blush. Did I do this eyeshadow for the blush? Maybe. Okay, maybe. I feel like the shadow is gonna help tie my blush. It's very cute. I want to put some on my brow bone. Okay, next we're going in with the lighter shade, and this is Joy. I'm gonna use Joy to kind of sort of just gradient this a little bit, but I also feel like Joy is just intensifying. Joy is definitely intensifying everything. I'm gonna have to go over this with like a powder brush. I overdid it. I'm just gonna blend the bottom part of this a little bit because this is definitely overdone, but it's cute though. On the other side of the face, we're gonna tap it. Sheesh. I don't know if it's the highlighter nature or the luminosity of this blush, but it's entirely more pigmented than I remember Rare Beauty blushes being. Maybe there's been some, you know, reformulations. I'm gonna put some on the bridge of my nose and also right at the front, because I generally put blush on my nose as well. So this is like, and I put some on my lip. I'm just gonna be highlighted up, and of course the brow bone as well. Oh my god, I am blushed up. Like, there's no way around it. We're going in with Happy, which is the lighter shade, and we're gonna use that to just blend the upper part of this. It is definitely a lot. It is way more than I thought it was gonna be. Love is giving me more rose goldy kind of a look. Truth is giving me more pink look, right? Like, you can see what I'm seeing. Milk Makeup Hydro Grip setting spray. Hey, this is what it's looking like. Did I overdo it with the setting spray? Maybe, but everything has melted into my skin so beautifully, so nicely. My under eyes are looking really nice. Okay guys, so this is my finished look using that Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Luminous blush. These blushes are more intense than I remember the cream blushes being. You could definitely tone it down with like your complexion sponge. That's gonna tone it down for you, but it is very gorgeous. It's like a highlighter and blush in one, so you don't have to like go in with a blush and then go in with a highlighter and hope that it works. It's very finely milled and it just looks gorgeous on the skin. Like, you don't have to do too much. I didn't even go in with contour. Let me know which shade I swatched and blended was your favorite. Will you be trying these out? Will you be picking them up? Let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.